All these areas, farmland. Waiting there before.
Yeah.
Oh.
Nice. Actually,
Only rice on the plant here for all this area.
look at my own. Okay.
Okay, your farm there.
Up, that up. My own. Water back and all.
Now how much your farm go worth?
My own.
Eh.
My own.
If you harvest them, now how much you go get for that farm?
I will get 200,000. 200,000. If I sell the bags, what? Sometimes I go to 150. 150 bags. Okay. Bag, yeah, we can idea. Okay, I'll get like 30.
30 bags.
Get like 30 bags. 30.
Now 30 bags of rice, the water pack away like that.
My home bar. My home is this.
You know plenty.
From up. From here to all our village. From here to up. Into one in from here like this to here. How many
hectares?
How many hectares? Enough.
The acre where they there?
Acre. Another one without working. Let's go. Make your own. Okay.
This place, if you say make you water them, how many millions of farmland there? If everybody talk say okay, we want to harvest everything before water come, now how much they go get?
You will get so after selling the rice.
After selling,
you understand? Like how many bag of rice that I get? Or the oil this
yes.
The oil you reach 700 bags.
700.
700 bags. Like from here like this.
No.
I'm talking about this from here to here. You don't see the place, man.
No, like 70 million now.
You don't see the place, man.
I see them.
You don't see.
You don't waste now.
Look at the place that go that Waka go there. No simple. So one person go there, man. From here to that place. And again, see the other line again. From here to that. You see, man? Oga, they like 700 bucks. That the quarter Latin no. No. No, look, I don't see that. Mommy, I'm not talking about this song.
Okay.
From here like this, go there.
Okay, just this one. And we don't pass land since.
We don't pass that. We not talk of that one. I only hear on.
The thing happened last year.
It happened last year again, but the water no reach.
This one. Okay.
But half don't go.
Half the farm.
Half the farm, the water don't pack out. The remain. Okay. But this year pack out all. But this year water don't pack out all.
Okay.
See, look at the place again. The all is the farm.
So the 2 years ago, now small the thing just increase, but.
What will be the solution now?
What do you think is the solution to this problem?
Solution.
What do you want government do? We go stop this thing finally.
He said, waiting to stop and say make rain no fall plenty. And government no be because when the dam is too much, the water too much. Where did this? From here, from that thing. No see what they are banana, but I want to know down. How you be? From here.
Make that dam don't get damaged. It don't spoil. The dam
no spoil. But
now the rain.
When the water too much for them, they open up for us. Understand? When the water too much for them. All these farmland don't spoil.
Now waiting.
No see what they are banana, but I want to know down. How you be? From here.
Make that dam don't get damaged. It don't spoil. The dam
no spoil. But
now the rain.
When the water too much for them, they open up for us. Understand? When the water too much,
So all these farmland don't spoil.
oh, just
Now, waiting be the name of that dam?
Jeba.
Jeba Dam.
Jeba Dam.
Until we flow, yeah.
Jeba.
For now, but
What you people go do now?
Oh.
As this thing don't happen, waiting be your
Don't have
plan.
anything to do unless communities help us. Is that so? You don't have anything to do now.
so now, what do you want government to do for you?
The government to help us about
Is it money you want?
Or food?
Is it food? Or make them pack you go another side where they safe?
more bringing around. That was for the emir, so everyone for emir. If you reach home, go and ask for our hand. That's better. But
Okay.
I don't have anything to say about this.
From Nema.
You never see people with anybody since the water pack us. You never see anybody.
This small food they give people, and now only once they bring them.
Only once. They bring us only once. You won't do anything again.
And their posters reach here, their posters full everywhere. All the people where they go for Senate, where they go House of Rep, 2019. And they paste poster everywhere now.
And they don't do anything.
They don't do anything for us. I'm telling you, they don't do anything for us. Even the water park was, they never do anything.
None of them visit you.
Nobody. Nobody. No only one. You know.
It will over 15 to 20 million.
For this year alone.
For here alone.
For this year alone, where you don't lose.
This year, at least this year, man, is the year that will say people rush to the farm. Because of the statement of this Buhari,
Okay.
that they say everybody should go back to farm. So everybody roll back to the farm.
Okay.
And do the possible they can do.
Okay.
You understand?
So that everybody will realize
He realize his own benefits.
it will know his right.
That's good.
But before you can harvest now, water don't.
Before the thing man even get pregnant, man, water don't flow down. If not for the fact that water has started going down, you see engine boat passing through this place, down to a boat. So I've never experienced
Engine boat.
water like this before.
When did it start? Which year did that problem start?
It started around that kind. I started setting when I mean,
The month.
not October, but around August ending.
But which year first that you first experienced something like that?
2012.
2012.
Up to today.
Never happened like that.
Now the same thing Kogi people they talk say
Okay, every year.
2012 now the time the thing start.
2012.
Now before that time they know they see flood.
2012.
The thing no they cause malaria. The way the water just
Serious. Even now.
Seriously, we've been battling malaria. Seriously.
the children
Children. Even the adults.
and cholera.
And cholera sometimes. Because there was an outbreak of cholera nearby village here.
Okay.
The Karmuka, it took us a long time before the issue was put to rest. But then, local government sent delegates come
Okay.
and we need to immunize children
Okay.
before we get the subsidy.
But is there the closest hospital to this place where the thing dey?
Just very close to the primary school here.
Primary health care center.
Primary care center.
They get drug, they get everything there.
No, until when this thing happened that they sent the drugs.
Wetin be the name of the health care center?
Primary care center, but
Dami, okay. Hope say nobody die, sha.
nobody dies here, but our places around this inside, people died there.
What dead there before? What dead this area before?
The election affect all these things.
Yes.
Like this.
It was after the water passed they passed this place, abi?
Come and see it. It's here.
No, water reach here. Water reach all this side.
Yes.
Okay.
You can see it back. This
The tree no dey there before.
No. In order to support the
So that the tree no
roofing.
go fall completely.
Yes.
I don't understand.
You see, back. Come and see something here. There is a building here. That one demolish.
No go.
Oh, no need of going there. Come and see.
The machine, you demolish all.
Come and see.
The other side, the inside.
This one is a new building.
Okay. The cement still fresh.
Yeah, this one is a new building. You see it back. You see how it is. You see it back.
Yeah.
You see it back. Okay. You see it back.
Yeah, don't say.
And here is what it's also affected.
Wait, now.
Wait, sorry, what's your name, sir? And now your house with this before? Before the water flood the place this year. Which month?
September,
September, August, September, October.
You don't lose anything. Wait.
No, see the mattress.
So where you can they stay now?
The management with my brother.
Okay.
My mother will go to the other side again.
Your mother's place, huh?
We will start this one.
I beg interpret too.
He said this thing,
Yeah.
this water,
Yeah.
they flow from Jeba to here.
From that dam, Abi. And I land there before.
Oh, na farm.
Na farm with the swim inside.
All. I'm telling you the truth.
Rice.
Right.
Hey, I don't see the net oh. This is a collapsed structure. The rooftop is no more. Sir?
Yakub Tawhid.
Yakub Tawhid, you are his wife.
Yes, sir.
When did this thing happen?
As water just come, everything just come.
This house, when you build them,
Since when you build this house?
which year?
Since when? Which
and your
year?
pikin be somebody there.
My children did this.
Son?
It built at 2000.
2000. And the house don't stand gidigba till this year.
So it's water that
This thing they terrible though.
It's very terrible.
Where everybody come they sleep now?
Look at the
Your family members, how many? How many people?
there are many.
Many
And give us the number.
They're almost 15.
Your children alone, Abi, including wife.
children.
Wives, children.
And this place no reach you to stay, Abi.
No,
They're just managing it.
we are managing.
Sleep for months here. So why must like see here?
Where your house dey before, sir?
Now here now. I just
Now,
house.
okay, now this place. Now for mosque, you can't dey sleep now.
Hey, wait now.
How many people they sleep for this mosque?
So what you have to eat?
5 people.
5 people.
Abdullah in that room. Abdullah in that room.
Okay.
See another house here. Just
So what to reach here?
Now farm dey that side before.
All. Farm.
You see that down a farm.
Okay. But nothing dey there again.
Nothing there. See here again. I'll touch the phone. Here again.
What's your name, sir?
My name is Mohammed Ilyasu.
Muhammad Ilyas.
Yeah.
Look at this flow with it. here now, we start to destroy it again. See the power school.
Okay.
Oh, God.
This machine still dey work.
There's no water pack and all. No water spoil.
Wetin the machine dey do?
Ground. There's a ground with maize and
For maize abi? Okay.
When before water.
Ayuba Salim, Dover. And actually have a water disaster. So last 2 months ago. And we have been helped by the government, but not so much, just little, by food items, something like guinea corn, gari, that is SP, with maize at the end. But we have been promised that later they will give us building materials. But that one is yet.
When did they promise?
They promised that they will bring, but it's yet.
And when was that promise made?
The day they brought, they give us the food items.
Which month?
Last month.
Okay.
Last month.
Oh. September.
September.
Early September.
No, August. September, early September.
Okay.
They promised that early September. It's yet to fulfill. So that's what you know about this.
How has the flood affected your own?
This thing now. Let's go. All these places, yeah? All these places.
Yes.
This water disaster. This is my own mother's home now, personally. My own house.
It has torn down the walls.
Yes. Down, all. Together with all these ones.
Where's your mother now?
This is my mother's home.
Okay.
Where is she now?
She will be there, the other side now. Managing. Hiring. Yes. See this one? This is my brother's home.
This is your brother's house?
Yes.
Where is he living?
He's living at inside the red town
They
there
said they are
now.
doing higher now in
Another place.
They're doing
Now.
fire.
Yes.
They
Rent
higher
now.
house. They are doing
So they are
rent
paying
Rent
money
now.
to live there?
Yeah, yes.
before they should
Yeah.
get their own.
That's why we are
So they need government to bring the building material so that they can move back?
Yes. If you can get it, so that we can move back.
This is your...
Yes, this
Okay, including this one too. This is
my-
your mother's?
This
This is the one you
yes,
built yourself?
Yes, this is for my brother. This one now is my father.
Okay.
To my father.
Okay.
Yes. The other one there, my elder brother. All of us now they are outside now.
Places now, you want the government should bring the items.
The items.
The government should give you money so you can do it.
Yes.
Among of them, which one do you?
In fact, if they give us money, we fight more than items.
Okay, like this place now, what and what do you lose?
I lose many things.
Okay, can you tell us what you lose?
Yes.
Okay.
I lose some of my goods, like food, money, with rice farm, rice this, rice food.
Cash too was swept away.
All together with all this, the instrument we have been fishing all has gone all.
So you can tell us you lose some millions.
Millions of naira.
Like how much?
I lose no less than 2 million naira. I don't talk of my father, my brothers, and other things, other people.
Okay, so you can.
And your
lead us-
farmland? You get
let's-
farmland
I get farmland.
Okay.
for this area?
For
Wetin they plant?
It is down there, rice with yam.
Like how many hectares?
My own personal one is 6 hectares.
6 hectares.
Yes.
And
That's
now-
that is 6 bags of rice.
Okay. Now the water flood
All,
everything. Everything.
all.
Nothing
Even
remains.
single 1 gallon. I don't carry from that place again. Then net, the same thing all together with our canoe.
So
All.
every year.
No, not it's happen every year.
Okay.
But not like this year.
Okay.
Because
Wetin everybody they talk with that?
No. Because what happened now, the type of flood that flowed this year, it is over 50 years ago now. When we have this type of flow now, about 50 years ago, according to our
How old
father,
were you then?
myself now.
Yeah.
By that time, yes, I was born by that time.
Okay,
I'm
but you were
very
still small.
I'm still small. because person was born at least 1979. It's not
So apart of who owned this house?
It's my brother. Look at
Okay,
him.
it's your brother.
It's my
So
brother.
can we talk to you so you can?
No, it's I'm standing. There's no problem now.
Okay, no problem.
So it's okay.
You don't cover you.
Yes.
So we'll call you back. What do you want is that the same thing this person lost many things.
Many
right?
things. He lost many things.
Okay.
Yes, he lost it. Oh, happened this year.
So where people they stay now, how much do they pay as rent?
As rent, how much now? At least they just help us with that ones that you don't have anything on for hand now. They are just helping us some 15,000 per month. Now, the room that
What's that place called?
Huh?
That place where they stay, what's it called?
Mwe.
Muyo, okay.
But this is Doba presently now.
Yes.
Some are living at Gillian.
So some, all of them, they are back to Doba now.
No, yes, in the afternoon,
In the after, like in the night,
none of us living here
none
now.
of them is living in Doba. Some are in Grinya, some are in
Mwe. Thank you very
That
much.
class, what are they doing there?
Where?
Place where-
They are on meeting.
Okay, the women.
Women's, yes.
Which
for,
meeting?
for the association.
Okay.
Yes.
Is it about this thing?
Yes.
Hope said the flood no carry person.
No carry person. Thank God, no carry anybody. Yes. Thank God for that. See this one now. Yes, my mother's.
Salam alaikum. Yes, sir.
So you know, see how we just manage these ones now. All. So just managing in the afternoon.
Okay, that's what you're saying now.
Say all the breakdown. We are just managing here now.
Okay.
In the afternoon,
Okay.
relaxing.
And then in the night you go to that.
You go to where we are hiring.
Okay.
So we are just managing now.
So we'll go back to Muyo.
It's okay now. All this one we are just replanting now again.
Okay.
They are replanting.
Yes, we are replanting now.
Did it affect any of your cows?
No, not of our cows.
Okay.
All these ones now we are just replanting now. It's not all destroyed by water.
How many months did this thing happen?
That was August 26th.
Okay, that was when it started.
August, no, yes, that's the day it started. August 26th.
So let's go to another part.
And you've not seen the people, emergency management agency, have they done
of
anything?
course, they come, but you never see this thing yet.
They just come
They just
look
come and
you.
yes, they just come and look and
To
snap and
observe.
go. Yes, observe.
They've not done anything.
They have not done anything yet. But they promise that they will do, but we never see them yet.
Go see them tomorrow to ask them what thing they happen.
Okay, no problem. None of them visit us here. Unlike
None of them.
none of them.
Chairman, local government,
None-
councillor,
chairman,
House of Rep
councillor, all
member,
of them,
senator.
None of them come yet. Both House of Assembly rep, none of them come yet. We never see any one of them yet.
What thing they can't do?
Eh?
What thing they can't do?
At all, they never come.
But their posters are full everywhere now.
At all. That's how they are doing yours. They are just take us this thing now.
You guys know the vote.
We the vote. We the vote.
So they
Everyone
don't know
themselves, they
say.
say they vote.
No.
And you get poly win it.
Also, this calamity that we are facing this water flooding last month ago. We want him to help us for this our building, even though they cannot fill our area. We lost many things.
Like what do you lost?
We lost like our materials and foods. Even though
Materials
our
like
farm.
what?
We lost many of our clothes going and our foods in the farm. We lost it. Rice, cassava, maize, things like that. Understand? All of them we lost it. We can't find it. So even though they cannot provide it for us all, they should help us. Even though with cement that we can rebuild our rooms so that we can get place to sleep and provide food for us. We'll be happy. And if they can still help us to refill our area so that we not having water flooding for everywhere again. So we will be very glad if you have that help from them. But it's our request to them if they can help us. We really thank them.
And your message you reach the government. Whatever we should.
No.
Kaga Alhaji.
We cannot cause all those things.
Ah, kamar.
In Alhaji, you gotta get one and a half done.
Now here the water reach. Still don't clear from this area. Assalamualaikum.
Da ba za a rubuta sunan mai gidan ba ko?
To baba, yanzu nan muna so mu tambaye ka daga hari ne sunanka?
Alhaji Yakubu.
Alhaji Yakubu daga
Ibrahim.
Doba. Alhaji Yakubu Ibrahim daga Doba. To Alhaji abin da muke so da kai yanzu ga kaman damages din ga da ya faru a nan. Kaman me da me ne ka rasa a cikin nan?
Ka gan kayan mu kamar abinci, tufafuwa lokacin da ruwa ya zo haka wallahi ba za mu iya shiga ba sai ka ga abun yana tafiya kuma ba za ka gani ba za ka iya kama shi ba sai asara ne.
He said by then when the flooding water was this thing, they cannot be able to enter. They look at their properties even moving inside the water, but they cannot be
Even
able
the
to
goats,
go.
the cows are
through
going.
it.
And you can't even cut them.
So what is there?
The cows,
Yeah, the dogs, I mean.
Okay.
Goats.
goats,
Yes, the hens.
So you lose goats.
Yes.
livestock.
They will be going, the parts will be going, and you can't able to catch it. Because it's not a
Lokacin
small
da ba mu
water.
da jirgi.
Even you have
Mutane
a,
suna
even you
kowa
have,
ga
By then
abun
they
yana
didn't have
tafiya
canoe.
kenan bagi kom da
even you
kom
have
yana
canoe,
tafiya.
the water is too strong. Understand? It passes every
Haka
year.
wurin da rami
Water
ramukan da ya ji baba.
It's different than every year. It's more worse than every year. Like, even you put canoe, to control the canoe is very difficult. Understand? So we lost many of our materials.
So the owners of these buildings are no longer here.
Are no longer living here. Because
They
of
were
this thing that
evacuated.
happened. You see, you can
Yes.
see this house is
Very close to the river.
to the river.